Hey everyone, Michelle Wells here with the Wells Group at People's Trust Realty. I am so glad you're joining us today for another episode of our new home build series. Now please give us a little bit of grace. We have been behind schedule due to the back-to-back hurricanes and having a lack of electricity for a while. And so now we're playing a little bit of catch up. Also on that same line, I would like to tell you that myself and the Wells Group wants to let you know that everyone affected by Helene and Milton, you have been kept and are being kept in our thoughts and our prayers. And we truly hope that your families, your communities are safe and that recovery is well underway after these two powerful storms. So I wanted to also tell you that I am super excited today to share our featured home with you. This model is by far my favorite build so far. Introducing the stunning Cabana Cay. It's a unique cabana style home designed in a beautiful enclosed, maybe like a C shape that's enclosed on the end with a private courtyard. That makes it an extra special house for sure. It has its own private courtyard, and you know, if you would like, you can also do like they did in the model and have an in-ground pool put in. I know I would. So I can't wait to take you inside to explore this beautiful home, and let's head on inside so I can show you what makes Cabana Cay such a standout over and above everything we've seen so far. We're back with another episode of our new home build series. Hi, it's Michelle Wells with People's Trust Realty, the Wells Group. I'm here at Cabana Cay model. This is a Palmwood construction build. And let's come on in and take a look at this new model. It's beautiful. So let's talk about this house. This is, again, the Cabana Cay. So we are in the living room right here. So as you see above, there is a tray ceiling, beautiful tray ceiling there. It has the sliders out to the patio. And of course we have these beautiful floors, which is the ceramic tile wood look floors. And of course it also, as you saw coming in, it's flanked by all the beautiful views of the pool. So let's come back a little bit here. I'm going to come over to this room that's right behind me. This is going to be the master bedroom, and so let's follow in there. Alright, so we are in the master bedroom. This bedroom is quite spacious. It has 10-foot tall ceilings. It has a ton of room. This is a king-size bed right here, so there's plenty of room in this space to have all of your large furniture if you would like. And of course, it is also flanking these beautiful sliders out to the pool. So if you want to come out here and have something to drink in the morning and look at the pool, or just open the blinds and get some light in this room, you have plenty of light to get in here. Let's come on back here to the right to the closet. This is a true walk-in closet with all of the built-in features here. We even have extension rods here so you can hang up your clothes for the next day or as you're hanging them. And drawers that are also inside here. The soft close drawers, so you can put in all of your clothes without having to worry about anything having a space, because everything will. So let's go on out here to the master bath. Take a look at this gorgeous master bath. This beautiful open shower, plenty of room for everything that you need. It has a snail entrance, that way you don't have to have a shower curtain. And then outside is this beautiful tub. If you want to do some soaking, you can definitely have a good evening soaking in the tub. And then to the right, we have these gorgeous cabinets and countertop. And around the corner is the water closet. Just outside the living room is this large Lenai. This is a great space, in my opinion, so it gives us a lot of private space to view all the beautiful nature here in Florida without having to be pestered by mosquitoes or any other bugs. And also, it has these beautiful pavers. I could just imagine sitting out here and just enjoying it in the morning with my coffee, or even in the evening with the breeze flowing through. So let's take a look at this formal dining room, which would be a great place to have an intimate dinner or even a formal holiday meal with your family. And it's just on the other side of the kitchen. So let's go on over to the kitchen. Okay, so this open floor plan home has this beautiful breakfast bar here in the kitchen with this quartz countertop. There's obviously a bunch of different styles of countertop you can put on here, but this one is a beautiful veined quartz. And we have several different sink options and faucet options. This is one of them that they put on here. It has the deep well sink, different soap dispenser options that you may have. Around the corner here, we have a couple other options. Now these have the 42-inch cabinets. This is a recessed wood. It's a beautiful modern wood color with gold hardware. So let's come around here. So this is a wall oven from GE profile with the microwave built in above it. And of course there is storage down below. So that way we can put pans and stuff down there. But of course, on the other side of the sink, I did forget to mention that we have the GE profile dishwasher as well. So let's come back over this way and take a look at this corner pantry. It has plenty of space in here. Now, mind you, there are some extra stuff in this room because this is a model, but we have some built-in drawers and shelves, places to put all kinds of things in here. And then we are going to come around here to let me turn on the light here so people look. There we go. That's a better view. So this island here gives you a lot of space to do your prep work while you're cooking. And it has a lot of storage on the other side. So that way you can keep all of your belongings, your appliances, and that kind of thing. Easy access to do all the prep work while you turn around here and do your cooking on this cooktop from GE Profile, which has this beautiful range hood exhaust right here. And it has this gorgeous backsplash. And it's just basically, it's a very understated subway backsplash, but it definitely adds elegance. And then, of course, your refrigerator. Alright, I almost forgot to show you this coffee bar. So one thing about the Palmwood Homes is they are a custom builder, so you can move anything around, anywhere, and this time they opted for a coffee bar right here next to the refrigerator. Beside the coffee bar in the kitchen, we have this good-sized laundry room here, and in the laundry room we have all these built-in cabinets, and the wood look recessed cabinets, and also a sink so you can do any of your wash with. And then behind it, you go the other direction, there is storage to the left and a garage straight ahead. So now we're not going to open the garage door just because they have a display center out there so you can choose your bottles. But let's come back in here and check out the bedroom. So just outside of the kitchen before the bedroom, there is this full bathroom with a tub shower combo, and as everywhere in this house, the 10-foot tall ceilings, and of course the 2-panel doors. This one has brushed silver hardware, and the same floor that is throughout most of the living area. This house in particular is only a 2-bedroom. However, they do have 3 and 4 bedroom models. So go ahead and take a look at this bedroom here to the right. And you will see how much room this is. There is a closet to the left, and then there's a recessed part for the dresser. So this here is an outdoor kitchen that is an optional extra with this house if you decide to go this route. It will take away a little bit from the closet that's in the other side of the room. But it is a great feature. You can come out here and it's automatically hooked up to your gas. So let's come around here to the left, and then we can look at the doors. We can't go in because there's an office there right now, but there is another bedroom with a closet and a full bathroom here. So this one, the double doors here is the office. Right now they're using it as an office, but it is another bedroom, and there is a bathroom here. Extra guest room that is off of the house, so people use it as an office. In this case, they have 2 different office spaces. And then, like I said before, where the gas kitchen is outside, they have a closet here. It's not real deep right now because of the gas kitchen, but it is a good size. But if you do not have the outdoor kitchen, then you can, have a bigger closet for sure. Come this way and we can take a look at this bathroom. We'll look at this bathroom off of the guest room. It has its own shower, and it has a door actually outside for the pool. So that way you can go from the pool into this bathroom if you want, without getting the rest of the house wet. It also has the blinds inside the door. also fully customizable. One of my favorite features is this versatile courtyard, which you can upgrade to include a pool, make it your own oasis. The sense of privacy and security here is unmatched. Now, this particular home boasts 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with 2-car garage, and with one of the bedrooms and bathrooms conveniently located next to the covered pool with its own private entrance. Perfect for a guest room, a private living area for an adult family member, or even a studio or office. And let's not forget about the garage. Plenty of space for storage and vehicles. All of this with 1,976 square feet of living space, and not counting the courtyard. This home is completely customizable, so if you want more bedrooms, more square footage, bigger garage, no problem. So thank you so much for joining me today, and if you enjoyed our tour, please remember to like and subscribe to the Wells Group YouTube channel for more videos just like this. We have plenty more incredible homes to show you, and if you'd like more information about this home or any other property that we've featured or any other property we haven't featured even, feel free to reach out, and you can contact me 352-256-7702 or visit us on our website at wellssellsflorida.com for custom home searches and more. And we're here to help you find your perfect home, whether it be a new build,